Dr. A. Ramesh sir, M. Ramesh sir, school complex HMs, senior most HMs, senior most teachers, all the participants from our Siddipet districts, as well as the teachers who have joined from adjacent districts. Welcome to all. Today is the seventh webinar. Our guest now, I would like to invite her. She is B. Asha Rani Madam, School Assistant English, JDPHS, GD Matla, Mandal Kutbulapur district, Medchal Jilla, Medchal district. She is the national, the best teacher award recipient, and also she is the alumni of USIFFT, United States India Education Foundation, sponsored Fulbright Teaching Excellence Achievement. She got that one, and she is the really, she has brought tremendous changes in her school among the children. Madam, welcome. You are mostly welcome, and we request you to give your valuable message to our English fraternity for the forthcoming period. Welcome, madam.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the wonderful words you have said about me, sir. And I wish all the teachers of English of Siddipet district a very warm morning. And I also would like to congratulate the department and the DO of Siddipet and the deputy DOs and all the officials involved in designing such a wonderful program. And I call it very fortunate for all the teachers, because this is such a period when all the people are engrossed in depression, and we, the teaching field people, are very much in for developing our own skills. So this is what makes our department very different from all other departments. Though we are not in our schools, we are really working for the development of our classrooms and for our own professional development. In this regard, I just feel very honored to be here with my English fraternity. I always feel that all the English teachers are my family. So that is how we are, whether it's state level, district level, or mandal level, we all feel united. And that is how we have been working. And when I looked at the proceedings that was sent to me last night, I was overwhelmed with joy to see ICT with the classroom transactions and all the learning outcomes, everything embedded together and bringing all the things. And if I say in Telugu, okay, vistaralo panchabaksha parmanalanni petti teachers ki ala serve chestunnatuga anpichindi. Really, it's a wonderful program, and I feel privileged to be a part of it. ICT, now though everybody say that pandemic is a negative wave create chestundani, but I strongly felt that this pandemic period of these 4 months has really been a learning experience for me and as well as to many teachers. Because this is a time when we realize the importance of ICT, importance of using tools, importance of teachers sitting at home, children sitting at home, still some learning is taking place between them. So this is a thing that I dreamt of for our classrooms. Last time when as sir was saying, I was in USA for 6 weeks, where I was like, అలా నోరు తెరిచి చూస్తూ ఉండిపోయాను. The way they were using the ICT, మన స్కూల్లో there is nothing except a projector in the one of the rooms. There was nothing like ICT. But now I am visualizing a drastic change in our classroom scenario, because we all are going to use it, and we are going to get equipped with that. So I just remember one thing. When I joined government job in 95, my sister, then she was a software engineer. She told me, it was late 90s. Akka nuvu computers నేర్చుకోవాలి, ఎందుకే మాకు అవసరం లేదు, మాకు చాక్ బోర్డ్ ఉంటే సరిపోతుంది. Then she said, లేదు, otherwise after 15 years or 20 years you will be considered as illiterate. So I still remember the day when she made me to learn computers, and that day I started working on the keyboard, and this day I stand before you as a very successful user of ICT in my classroom. Not only I learn it, but I also encourage my colleagues and my teachers, my friends to use ICT. భయం వేస్తుంది ఫస్ట్ లో, ఈ ల్యాప్టాప్ ఏమంటుందో, ఈ కంప్యూటర్ ఏమంటుందో. The same thing was with us when we got this smartphones. So I feared to even use smartphone. But now, how meticulously we are using this phone. This is not only for just making a call. We are able to download several apps. We are able to work on it, Photoshop, take a photograph and edit it and resize it. Everything we are able to do it. So don't be under the fear that ICT is something that we cannot achieve. It is possible. ఎందుకంటే it's just like any other TLM. That's what I feel. ఇన్నాళ్ళు ఒక చాక్ పీస్, ఒక బ్లాక్ బోర్డ్, ఒక టెక్స్ట్ బుక్, బట్ నౌ we have another TLM, that is ICT tool. It can be any tool because we are very fortunate to have teachers. మనకి ఎవరో సాఫ్ట్వేర్ వాళ్ళు వచ్చి మనకి చెప్పట్లేదు టూల్స్ గురించి. Our own teachers, like today you have a great speaker, Vinay Raju, one of my friends, one of my US mate who was there with us. So like he gives you the tools like this. So I enjoy watching his sessions. Maybe I'm not that perfect in explaining ICT tools, but you know, once you learn ICT, manam anukuntam traditional classroom is the best ani. But once I started using these ICT, I feel that are inni samvatsaralu I wasted, because children love to be associated with gadgets. Children, that is the thing. Like children, if they want to meet someone, they use ICT. Even if they want to talk, they want to use ICT. Even people are earning through ICT. Then why don't we learn through ICT? There's one letter difference, earn and learn. So I think we can bring in ICT. We must welcome this, and this helps our professional development also. Like manam anta kashtapadakkarledu. Once you use the tool, you record something and keep, and that gets transacted throughout the years. The ICT makes our life easy. Because I want to share one of the experience of our district. Medchal Buddy ani oka website we have started, where assalu illiterates of ICT teachers have come forward. They have learned tools. We have learned ICT tools from people like Vinay Raju and Ravi Narayan sir, all these people. And we attended several webinars, and in turn, almost 150 teachers are contributing their ICT lessons through the website. Now, most of our students are accessible to the website. Even if you want, you can also log in. It's medchilbuddy.com. We are uploading the lessons, and children are connected to that. We have uploaded, we have uploaded all sorts of things. Like we have question papers, we have interactive lessons, we have a teacher coming face-to-face mode. So ICT is possible if you integrate ICT with your teaching skills. I know no technology can replace a teacher. Teacher is a teacher. That human element is anyway needed. So we can keep that human element and just embed the ICT, and then you see the miracles, because children love it. And when last time when I was in Delhi, and we were fortunate to talk to our Honorable Prime Minister Modi Garu, and you know, the way he was interacting, he just said, "Pillalaki edi ishtam, meeku edi ishtam." So we said we love textbooks. Pillalaki edi ishtam, gadget system. Then what are you doing? Meeru kuda renditni merge cheyandi. And he wanted us to communicate this thing to all the teachers, that whatever children are interested in, we should start working towards that. We cannot, even in these days, we cannot sit with our own traditional thing. Traditional is good, but embedding that with the technology will flourish much more, because it's like we use ICT not only for the classroom, it is also for our professional development. Once you start it, you'll feel like that is the swargam, like in the classroom also. Like once children are given autonomy to deal with these tools, they would start suggesting, teacher indulo idundi. I have seen many children making TikTok videos. So, or Kind Master lo videos cheyadam, ivanni chusi earlier we used to feel em chestunaru pillalu, always gadgets. But now during this pandemic, I'm always with the gadgets. I have realized that I'm learning with that. Okay, and so taking technology as a TLM would surely help us. If you find it difficult, oka webinar attend avangane, I'm sure you will not be able to equip anni cheyalem manam. But what I suggest you is, make some peer learning possible. Me groups create cheskondi, make a smaller group or share your knowledge, whatever you have learned. Ee roju PowerPoint నేర్చుకున్నాను, slide ke animation నేర్చుకున్నాను, share it with your friends. I'm sure you might be having your own district groups. In my district, that's what we do. Hey, hip hip hooray, I did this PowerPoint. మిగిలిన అందరికి PowerPoint వచ్చి ఉంటుంది, but one last person learns it, we all clap for that fellow, because we encourage them like that. And so when we do that kind of peer encouragement, it really helps us to learn. And this is not only for our development, this is to prepare our student for the future classroom. I'm sure once they pass out from our school, they have to do a lot of learning through ICT. So let's just help them to do that, because this is the only thing that could be done in the present scenario. Let us not use ICT just because it is the buzzword. ఇప్పుడు అందరూ చేస్తున్నారు, మనమే చేయాలి అని లేదు. ప్రపంచం ఎప్పటి నుంచో చేస్తోంది. US క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో అయితే ఇట్స్ ఇలా వెళ్తాడు, ఈ టేక్స్ అవుట్ ద క్రోమ్ బుక్, అసైన్మెంట్ అందులోనే సబ్మిట్ చేస్తాడు, హీ పుట్స్ ఇట్ ఇన్, అండ్ టీచర్ ఎప్పుడో ఇంటికి వెళ్ళాక చూసుకుంటుంది. ద లైఫ్ ఈజ్ సో ఈజీ. బట్ at the same time, we must remember, we need not use all the tools we learn. We should be judicious to pick what we want. Mana class ki em kavali, whether are we testing or learning, every aspect of learning is possible through ICT. You can make learning things, you can make testing things, you can even make some peer learning things. Pillala madhyalo kuda you can create an activity. Like when I use H5P app, my students love to do assignments. There are matching, there are interactive videos. So it's really wonderful to use ICT. I don't think that I'm the right person to talk about the tools, because you have a wonderful person, Vinayadhar Raju, to talk about it.
Thank you. Okay.
Yeah. So thank you so much for giving me this much time, Rajmallu sir. I'm really honored. I congratulate all the people for participating in it. Thank you.
We are thankful to Madam for giving your valuable message and your experiences at United States as well as in your school. Thank you. We are very, very thankful to Madam.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Now, Mr. General Secretary Yusuf sir, please you invite our presenter Vinay sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, Asharani madam.
Thank you.
Now it is the time to invite our today's representative, Vinayadhar Raju, Prathikantam, SA English, Gangapalli Mandal, Gannevaram. He has our neighbor. He has just missed. Otherwise, he will be as a part of our Siddipet district. Sir, he is an icon of online course when nobody uses this online ITC tools are using. That's the time he began. That's why he is the icon of online course of English teachers. He did number of courses online mode, sir, and conducted online courses for teachers of English. Especially, sir, USIEF, United States India Education Foundation, as a part of FTEA, Fulbright Teaching Excellence. He went to USA. He spent there 6 weeks to visit various schools in USA, sir. He has a lot of experience. Now I invite him to start his session. Mr. Vinayadhar Raju, sir. And he also General Secretary of ELTA, Telangana State Body. I welcome him. Over to Vinayadhar Raju, sir.
Okay, General Secretary sir.
Sir, Vinayadhar
Sorry for the
sir.
interruption. Hello, Yusuf sir.
Sir.
Yes, sorry for the interruption. Sir is now joining. Just I appeal all the participants, please be wait for 2 minutes. Sir is now joining. Sir has not yet joined.
Okay.
I request all our participants, please be quiet. Otherwise, I would have made our Asharani madam to speak, but I think madam available or not?
Yeah, I'm there.
Are you available?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Sir is now.
I'll attend the whole session. I'll attend.
Okay, madam, and I am welcoming all my ELTA crew. Kiranmay madam, she is writing questions during the session, and Jyoti madam is doing her job as co-host. And another Tirupati Reddy sir is giving his wonderful services towards our ELTA by making Google Forms, creating a feedback sheet as well as quizzes. So we are so helpful. Sir is very helpful, and Pulupati Venkatesh is also acting very well in this regarding this program. And Madhu sir, Ravindra Reddy sir, these are all behind us, and other teachers. Now everybody is helping us really. We are very, very thankful to each and everyone because due to time constraint, I am unable to express my gratitude towards all the teachers. And one more thing I would like to add some of our teachers. Really, all the teachers, nearly 300 teachers are keeping quiet to listening about our ICT. Really, really, I am very, very thankful to all the teachers, those who are actively participating and bearing with us for listening this one. Okay. Yes, please. Now, Asharani madam, please,
Yes, sir.
please respond for one thing. How you experienced it in USA national award like that?
Talking about USA classrooms, teacher preparation is more, sir. Like though they use technology, teacher prepares a lot. Like for every period, they have second to second plan. We say minute to minute plan. Like in our timetable, we talk about the round figure of time. If the bell has to ring 9:45 or 10:30, 10:10 like that. But they even have the bell ringing time at 9:42 or 8:01. Even every minute counts for them. And the wonderful thing I have come across is that there the teachers don't change from class to class. Teachers have fixed rooms. The students keep moving period after period. So between the periods, they have a gap of 5 minutes or 6 minutes based on the premises of the school. Like if it is in a vast area, there is a possibility of 8 minutes gap. And during that gap, some light music is played in the school premises. After every period, along with the bell, the music comes in and children, they do that, this, everything, they run, they reach to their classes, and no one bunks the class because they get that gap of 5 minutes, 4 minutes, they enjoy, they make everything and then go into the class. And by the time they reach, teacher set the furniture. If the teacher wants the group activity to be done, before the children come, she drags all the chairs together because the classrooms are very small. Like they have hardly, when I met the teacher, my partner teacher, she said, you know, I have a large class, you know, my strength is 23. I said, oh, make 23 large class, madam ankunan. Then she asked me, what's the strength of your class? I said, 74. She said, oh my God, how do you manage that? So I said, that's what happens in India, like the strength is more. So, but teacher preparation is very important. And when I observe the language teachers, teacher plays a video. Every day she makes it a point that she plays a video from any of the movies. And then children respond on that. But for us, bringing the movie into the classroom is a crime for us. But they use every part of life, every situation of the life into the classroom. And you know, when the teacher gives assignment, manlaga assignment submit cheyandi and another teacher on the board topmost corner she makes a note, assignment due Friday and this day. And every day she says, look at the board, children, before you leave the room. And then, yes, miss, I remember, I have to submit. And they realize and they keep going. It's so easy for them. Rajmala sir, you are on mute. I can't hear you.
Madam, thank you. Your colleague has just joined.
Okay, fine. We'll invite Vinay sir.
Yes, sir, we are ready. Please. Okay, madam. Thank you, madam. Over to General Secretary Yusuf sir. Please welcome him once again.
Okay. Okay, sir. I will shortly welcome because it is already 10. Okay, sir. Vinay Raju sir, General Secretary, Telangana State ELTA. I welcome him. He has created a ELTA page and ELTA Telangana YouTube channel. He is an icon of online course, and he did a number of online courses and conducted online courses for teachers of English. He also, as a part of FTEA, he went to USA for 6 weeks in 2018. I welcome him to start the session. Welcome, Vinay Raju sir. Haven't you seen in the participants, sir?
Bhaskar sir, Vinay sir has joined. Please give him co-host. Please give him co-host in the name of Vinay, Vinay.
Sir, Vinay sir కనిపించట్లేదు సార్.
No, V symbol is there. Vinay, Vinay. You give him co-host. Sir has joined. He told me that he has joined. Hello.
సార్ కన్ఫర్మ్ చేసుకోండి సార్ ఒక్కసారి.
Yes. You, sir. He has told that he has joined.
No, sir. No, it is not here.
Bhaskar sir is there. Just you search Vinay.
Vinay. You type in the.
Sir, Vinay sir has messaged. Vinay here like that. He
Sir.
messaged just now.
Sir, he has joined. Please.
We could not find him, sir.
Please.
Ask him to raise hand.
Who is Vinay? Vinay. Who is Vinay? Here is Vinay. I found.
That is the Vinay sir, sir. That is Vinay sir,
Yes.
sir. You can unmute him. He is requesting, take me as co-host.
Just ask him to raise hand, sir. Raise hand.
Now he is co-host. You can continue.
Yeah.
Yes.
You can continue.
Welcome.
Sir,
Vinay.
welcome.
Okay
Welcome,
sir,
sir.
good morning all of you. Sorry for delay.
Okay, sir.
My system troubled me. So good morning all of you.
Yeah, good morning, sir. Welcome to our session. I request you to start the session, sir. Please.
Okay sir.
Vinay sir.
Good morning all of you. Yeah. Shall I
Yeah,
continue?
your friend, alumni, Asharani madam is also with you. She is listening to you. Okay. She reminded your name also. Okay, right. Continue, sir.
Yeah, I know that. Asha, good morning.
Okay, right.
Good morning, all of you, and thank you for inviting me, Siddipeta Department of Education, and Ivo Garu, Rajmallu Saru, and Yusuf, and all the ELTA people, whoever the program. Thank you for inviting me. Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to learn about the speaking skills, ICT tools for the. So that's about Flipgrid. How many of you have already heard about the Flipgrid? Please use the chat box and to type your answers. Have you heard about these tools, voice thread, and
No, sir.
please use chat box. Yes or no? So this is the Flipgrid, empower voice. So look at here, the help center, educators login, and educator sign up. So if you are the first time user, you have to, no sir, yes sir, no sir, yes sir, okay. So because in ELTA webinars also we use the tool, okay, no problem. Thank you. So if you are the first time using, you have to click on this educator sign up. Then it will ask you to log in using your Gmail. But here I have already created my account. So that's why. So here it is the sign up with your Google. So click on this.
Sir, begins one, sir. Educator.
So it will ask you
Because,
educator sign up.
Yeah.
Then
yeah.
you have to select. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How do we go to educator to sign up?
So you have to type the flipgrid.com in the Google search.
Yeah, that's why. Okay.
Here it is. Look at the flipgrid.com.
Yeah.
Admin.
Flipgrid.com.
It asks you to sign up. Voice is breaking. My voice is not clear.
Yes, sir. You are clear, sir.
This is
Very
an
clear.
issue I am facing. It's clear. Okay. Somebody said that the voice is breaking there in the message box. Sorry, it is taking too much time. So generally, so what are the problems that generally we face while inculcating the speaking skills among our students? So what is the major problem? Please use the chat box and to type your answers. What is the major problem while making our students to speak in English? Please use chat box.
Phobia, fever, fear.
Phobia, fever, fear of wrong, shyness, shyness, fear of others, sentence framing, nervous, good, hesitation. So these are all from the student's point of view. So what about the teacher's point of view? Suppose you want to make every student in your classroom to speak something. So what is the major challenge that you face? No vocabulary, negative comments, no English speaking environment. So these are all from the student point of view. Am I right? So
Yeah.
suppose your students are good at doing everything. They don't have a fear. They are good at vocabulary. Their sentence structure is the good. Will you able to do that activity in the classroom? Is there any constraints for you? From teachers' perspectives, from the teacher's point of view, do you have any problem? That's good. Time. Even though your students are not ready to speak, you cannot spend that much time to make everybody in the classroom to speak. Suppose you have given a task, weekly 1 task or the weekly 2 tasks, because your class strength is around 30 to 40. So 45 minutes time is not enough to make everyone to speak. Do you agree with me? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, so that is the reason. Then when the technology integration will help you to overcome that problem. So the Flipgrid is the one such tool that will help you to overcome that time barrier. So it is an online and the cloud-based platform. So you can post the assignments on the online and share the link with your students so that everybody will visit that link and they will post the assignments online whenever they find it time. So at a time, but I know that, but the technology access is in our students. If it is the technology accessible and there is a smartphone with them, then only it is going to work. Okay. So now once you in educator log, there are 3 tabs: discussion, discovery, activity, mixtapes, shorts, and the discussion is whatever that you have created. So the groups and the topics. So the groups are like our classroom. Suppose you can create a class 1 group and the class 6 group, class 7 group, and class 8 group, and class 9 group, like that. So after creating the class wise groups, then you can go for the topics. So the topics is the small space within the group. Did you get my point? So that suppose you are giving a assignment on unit 1, then group 1 can create a grid. Then the topic is about unit 1. Next unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, like that. And these are the tops, and the discovery is the something that all the Flipgrid community made topics are available here in this. Our collection of topics are available in the discovery. So activity will give you information about what you have done in the your work. It will show your work. So look at here. This is the my work. So recently what I did, and how many I have created, group created, I have created, total views, how many of them viewed my Flipgrid videos. These things you will get under the activity tab. So the mixtapes. Mixtapes is the community of the Flipgrid people. So you will find all the videos of the people, those who posted here. So next one is the shorts. Shorts is the something that you can create your video lessons using the screen recording option. And the last one is the Grid Pulse. It is the community of all the Flipgrid teachers. Suppose if you click on the active, So your profile is visible to everybody. You are connected with all the people who are already there in the Flipgrid. So now let us move on to the charts now. So the charts is an interesting tool that you can create your own lessons. Suppose you click on the record video. Voice is not clear.
Yes, sir.
Hello,
Clear.
am I audible now?
Now it is clear, sir.
Hello.
Now it is clear, sir. Vinay Raj, sir.
Now
It is clear now.
Oh,
Now it is clear.
okay, okay, no problem. Because I kept the chat box open. So because there is a connectivity issue with my side, so today I'm facing that problem. So if you have any issues, just type the chat box there in that. I will check. So look at here. So you can, these are the options. Click on the options button. So you can upload a video clip. So mirror image means how that will be utilized. It will be like this. Okay, you can audio also. You can record audio. Then you can record screen. This is a good option for us to record your screen. So now I am recording my screen. So I am showing some window. Here is the another interesting tool about that we can use for inculcating the speaking among our students. That is called the voice thread. So you can create video by clicking on this. So you can select any image from your computer. So I have selected one image. So loading. Okay, it is taking time. So now it is just look at whether it is recorded or not. So look at here, the video is already recorded. So here your picture is within the video. This is my screen. So my video also visible, but the problem is the voice is not recorded, I think so. So I will check that also. So then the next button. So it asks to take a selfie. Now I am taking my selfie. Redo selfie, because if you don't like it, you can redo. Okay, take a selfie also. Click on next. So our video is ready. So you have recorded the some part of your screen. Like that, you can prepare your PPT. And your face also in between the PPT, that you can prepare your digital lesson simple by using this tool. So it is taking time. Oh, every day is okay. Now let us come to our topics discussion. Now I am going to create a talk now. So new topic. webinar. So here you can add prompts, means suppose if this they can how they respond, what they have to respond. So I'm going to ask the question.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Respond. Sir.
Sir, sir, voice
Hello?
is not clear, sir. It's breaking.
Hello.
Sir, voice is not clear, sir. Your voice is not clear, sir.
So please rest how to in your classroom. This is the prompt that I am giving. Then here's a time limit. Suppose if you want to keep it for 30 seconds, if maximum limit the time is. Now I'm going to use only 2 minutes. So language is that. Next one.
It's gone. Sir has left. You have to wait to join Vinay sir.
I think some network problem is there with sir.
Yeah. He is left.
Voice is also not clear. It's not.
Yeah, sir. It's a network issue problem, ma'am. I also.
When sir asked the question about his voice, then it was clear.
Yeah.
Yusuf sir has answered, sir, clear.
Sir. Yes, okay.
Yes, sir has joined. Okay. Sir has joined, sir. Okay.
Vinay sir, continue with your lesson. You have joined. Okay.
Yeah, sir. Sir is sharing his screen.
All right.
Okay, sir. This is about the video because I just now posted question that you have to respond to how Flipgrid is going to use in your classroom. You can record video directly on Flipgrid or offline. You can upload. You can post a video from the YouTube or the Vimeo. You can upload an image, add a Jiffy. These are the different ways you can do that. Next one, you have to make your video public now. Right? I'm going to use.
Yeah. Most of the teachers are lifting, sir, because of I think it is a connectivity issue.
Okay. Let us wait. No problem. Let us wait.
Not sir only. Most of the teachers has left.
Yusuf
Because
sir,
it
we
is
are helpless because it is technical glitch, you know. I think it is happening there only at Karimnagar. I think
Yeah.
it's not a problem. Please, I request all our participants, our friends, English fraternity, please bear with us. We are regretting for the inconvenience, please.
Sir has joined.
Yes.
Sorry, network issues. So we are not getting proper internet today. Am I audible now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, then you have to click on the public. So then create topic. So now I am going to share this link with you. You can visit now. I am going to share this one in the chat box. Just post your video 1 or 2, 1 minute or the 30 seconds like that. Just check the chat box. I posted the link there. Click that. 1 or 2, please try that. So it will be like this for you. Click on the record response, then start responding to the post. How you are going to use the Flipgrid. Please try 1 or 2. So click the link that I posted there, and then you will get a page like this. Click on record a response. If you click this, it will open like this. Now you can click on this video button, then record. Good morning, everyone. I will use Flipgrid to make my students, encourage them to speak online. And it also saves my time because at a time all the students can do it, their assignments from the home. Then record. Good morning, everyone. I will use Flipgrid to make my students, encourage them to So here look at, there are more options. Suppose you can filter. Suppose somebody is shy, don't want to show their faces, you can use this blur option because some students don't want to show their video. So use the blur option and they can record their videos. Otherwise you can use different colors like this. You can use frames also.
Vinay sir, have you received any video?
So no frame now.
Just I posted.
Select frames. Yeah, just a minute. I will check that. So if you click on the frames, the frame will appear like this. Select any design you want.
Yeah, wonderful.
Okay. Then you can add emojis also. You can add emojis also. So network is slow. That is the problem that I am facing. Okay, you can select any emoji.
It's a wonderful tool.
So you can add even text box also.
A child can.
You can add text
a
box.
child can record himself. When he is recording his video, he feels he may be the actor of any movie. Then there is a lot of scope to speak English. And also when we post our classroom video, then we feel very happy. So it is a wonderful tool to make the children interaction, and we can make easy them to speak very well. Thank you.
So this is how the video is uploading now. Now let us go and check one response. One already posted a response. Thank you. Who is this?
Me. What happened, sir? Network issue.
Again, there is a network issue. Today, we are unfortunate to have this class.
Again, sir has left. You have to wait until he joins. Rajamallu sir, Vinay sir has left again.
Hello, sir. Tell me.
Vinay sir has left, sir, once again. I am
No,
calling.
again he joined. Bhaskar
Joined,
sir need to give him co-host again. It is
Yeah.
appearing in the participants list.
Hmm.
Bhaskar sir, please, please watch it. It is a
Yeah, it is okay.
bad luck for us.
It's okay, sir. Bhaskar sir has did.
Vinay sir, are you there? Hello, Vinay sir. Hello. Vinay sir, co-host has been given to you. Please share your screen and speak.
Okay. Thank you. Sorry again. I don't know. Oh.
It's a wonderful,
Vinay sir,
wonderful tool.
Vinay sir,
Yes.
you have
Yes,
three,
yes, just a minute.
Flipgrid, VoiceThread, and Loom. Go for another. Otherwise,
Yeah.
else-
Child can record himself. When he is recording his video, he feels he may be the actor of any movie. Then there is a lot of scope to speak English. And also, when we post our classroom video, then we feel very happy. So it is a wonderful tool to make the children interaction, and we can make easy them to speak very well. Thank you. Wonderful tool. It's a wonderful tool. A child can
Yeah.
record himself. When he is recording his video, he feels he may be the actor of any movie. Then
It is not
there is a lot of speak English. And also, when we post our classroom video, then we feel very happy. So it is a wonderful tool to make the children interaction, and we can make easy them to speak very well. Thank you.
Thank you, Venkatesh sir. So now I can respond to the Venkatesh sir also. So here is an add comment option. So if you click that, So now I can respond. Thank you, Venkatesh sir, for providing
you,
the
sir.
nice
Thank you.
feedback for me.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank
So
you.
this is the response that I am recording. So here, look at, there is a one more option available to us.
Wonderful tool.
Go ahead.
A child can
Providing the nice feedback
a
for
child
me.
can record it.
Thank you.
himself.
So this is the response that I am
When he is
recording.
his
So
video,
here,
he
look
feels
at, there is a one
he
more.
may be the actor
Sir,
of
both
any
videos
movie
are running, sir.
to speak.
Yeah, just a minute, just a
And
minute.
also when we post our
Venkatesh
classroom
sir,
video,
audio also.
it is a wonderful tool to make the children interaction, and we can make a
So after recording, you have to click on submit. Then it will be posted there. Okay. So one more option I want to show you, that you can use the digital board along with you. So there are two that effects. Look at here, board. If you select the board, so half of the page you will appear, and the remaining half your video. So you can draw also by using this pencil. So there is a problem with my camera again. So you can use the digital board also on the screen. You can share your screen by PPT. So these are the different ways you can post your responses. Okay. Next, move on to the next one. That is voice thread. So voice thread is also like this only, a simple thread. You can post video, you can add an image, anything like that from your computer, and ask your student to respond. So here is the one image that I am selecting. So you can add any number of images like that. Here I am adding only one. So if you want, you can add another one also. Even you can add video also. Then you can again copy link. Then you can share it. Okay. Suppose this is the video that I posted here. So let us take this. This is the one that I have already created. So for this, you can type text, you can make a call, you can record your audio, you can record your video, or you can upload. So these are the different ways you can post. So now this is the image that I have used to Learning Pyramid. Now I am going to share this link with you so that you can post your responses again here. So just click the link. Click the link that I posted there in it. So you will get that and talk about how the learning pyramid is going to help us. So while posting, you have a different options. What is that? Click this plus symbol. You can type, you can record audio, you can record video, even you can upload. Suppose if you take the type text, you can use it like this. So you can save. So this is one option. So otherwise, if you want to record audio, click on audio. So it will ask you to record. Good morning. Learning pyramid is very important tool that make you to understand how the pedagogy works. By listening, students will remember only 5%. By reading, they will remember only 10%. By seeing, they will remember only 20%. By teaching others, they will remember the 19%. So then it will ask for upload. So saved. Video is posted already. Audio recording
Yes.
is posted.
Yes,
If you
sir. We
click
are
that,
watching.
you can even record the video also. You can upload already recorded video also. So these are the different ways the students can respond. Here you can use the video or image or whatever you want. Even you can use the more than one video, one photograph also. So this is how the Flipgrid is going to work with us. And you will find a lot of helpful files also. So my voice thread details, you can embed, you can export, you can make a copy, you can edit, you can share. These are the different options available.
To upload, we have to register, sir.
You just click that. Is it asking to register?
Yes, sir.
You need to log in, I think so, because your name will appear.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to create account. Otherwise, you have to log in using your Gmail, just like how we did it with the Flipgrid, and the same thing is going to work with this also.
Yeah, yeah.
So these are the different tools. So everything, one thing is clear to you that you can find the help files. Always there are help videos for you to understand how the Flipgrid is going to work and how the voice thread is going to work. You can watch the small videos. Here it is tutorials. So creating voice thread. If you click this, it will give you the brief description how you can create.
To create a new voice thread, you just go to the top of the page and click on Create. And building your voice thread starts with adding your media, which you do by clicking Add Media, or just drag some files from your computer and drop them onto your web browser. The files are going to process. When they're done, you'll see their thumbnails appear, and you can then edit them or delete them, and you can even reorder them just by clicking and dragging them around. Once you've edited all your slides, you then click on the comment button to open up the voice thread and begin recording your comments. I won't go into all the options, but I'll make one sample comment to show you the basics. First, select the method to comment. I'll use my computer's built-in microphone. And then if you get a security prompt, just click allow. And then start talking. And remember to click and draw on the screen to highlight what you're talking about. And you can even click over here down in the corner to go to other slides during your comment, moving from images to documents and other images. And you can even comment on videos, where you can play and pause the video to talk about different parts of it. And then whenever you're done, you just click stop. It will replay your comment for you. Take a listen to it, and if you like it, save it. When you're done commenting, close the voice thread, and now you're ready to share it. So just come up here and click on the share button and share it however you would like. After you do that and you return to your VT homepage, you'll see your voice thread is there. And if someone makes a comment on it, you'll get an email about it, or you get a new comment notification on the voice thread itself. And remember, a voice thread is a living discussion space. You can always edit it again and again, adding and removing slides whenever you want.
So like this, how to make a comment, how to share, how to dawdling means how to write on that, how to comment. So these are the different help videos are also available. You just go to the site and you can watch them, and so that you can learn them. Voicethread.com. This is the link for this. Shall I post this also? So I'm posting the link there. So this is the VoiceThread. So these are the two tools that you can use, and you can post your online speaking activity assignment online, so that the students will visit and they can respond to your post. And the third one is the Loom. So the Loom is also a screen recording tool like that. You can use this one for the speaking purpose as well. You have to log in. So it is called a browser extension. So once you log in, it will be like this, but there is a small add-on that you have to add to the browser, Loom for Chrome. You go to the Chrome extensions first. Chrome extensions. Then type Loom. So this is the Loom. So here I have already installed. That's why it is asking rating. Otherwise it will ask you to add to Chrome. If you click that, it will be added here like this. Here is the Loom for Chrome. Once you have added this to your Chrome, then you have to log in into the Loom by typing the loom.com. Okay. After login, it will be like this. Then you click on the new video. Then it will ask you screen plus camera, only screen only camera. These are the three options you can select. So here I am selecting the 2. What is that? Screen and camera. I want 2. Okay. Then start recording. Here my video is appeared here. So selecting screen. Then going to VoiceThread again. I am going to record that. Sorry again. Sorry, it has already, I lost again. Loom.com. Loom free. Sign up with Google. Sorry, again, I started some others. My son's Chrome, that is. So click on next, start recording. So your photo appears here. Select screen. Now I am going to give you a brief description how the Loom extension is going to work. So type the Loom. So then stop sharing. So look at this. The video will come like this. This is already a pre-recorded video. I created the screen recording video using the link. So then you can invite the people by clicking this. You have to change this setting before going there. Link sharing are the public. So if it is public means it is visible to everyone. So this is the way you can copy link. After recording that video, you can copy this link and you can share with the people. Okay. So another option is that you can edit video, you can trim. Suppose while recording, you think that the beginning and the ending, there is an extra space for that without talking anything there. Then you use this trim tool and you can cut that video and you can do that also. Next, custom thumbnail. So custom thumbnail is adding a selfie to your video. Okay. So like all the video editing tool, but it's very simple. So these are the different options. One is download. You can duplicate, you can delete, or you can share it. So after recording the screen, so this is the thing that appears. The network is very slow, so that's why I'm not able to show you the video. If you want, you can watch it later. I'm sharing the link again with the chat box. So the Loom, you can click it and you can watch. So how the students will respond? No, here it is. After responding that, they will click on the record reply. So they can record their video and they will start posting again. So this is used for the both the ways. One is to create your own digital lessons by using the screen recording. Means you can create your own PPT, and while showing PPT, your face is also appear in between, so that you can create your own digital lessons and share with students. Second usage is you can prompt the students for speaking and share with your students, so that your students will start responding to the video that you have posted. So these are the two ways that you can use the Loom. These are the three tools: Flipgrid, VoiceThread, and the Loom. So these are all used for the speaking skills and even for recording your digital lessons also. If network permits, I am going to give you a quiz. So this is the quiz that I prepared today. Let us play it online. I will share to you. Play live. Just click the link that I am posting there. Just check the chat box. So enter this code, join game, click the link, and then it will ask you to enter the code 451506. Please enter this code. Please somebody try to join this. I already posted a link there. Click that. Or you can click the joinmyquiz.com. Then enter the code 451. Okay, one already joined. Thank you. I am posting the code also 451506. Join myquiz.com or else click the link that I posted there. Then enter this code 451506. Good. Four people have already joined. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Good. Good. 18. Click the link, Sharda ma'am. There is a link I posted there. Otherwise, join my quiz. Open in the browser. Some other, you have to remain there in the Zoom and open your Zoom browser and type this. Or click this link, it will open up in the browser. The link I posted there. Shall I start the game? $23 joined so far. Good.
Game start, sir.
Okay. 25, 26. Okay, let us start. There are questions on the Flipgrid, VoiceThread, and the Loom. Just answer them. Those who cannot join, please check these questions. This is the first question. What is the Flipgrid primary response type? Text, video, multiple choice, poll. Use chat box to answer your questions. Text, video, or multiple choice are the poll. Then this is the second question. There are options when recording the video response for those that are camera shy. True or false? Next, this is the third question. Just read that and post your answers in the chat box. Those who didn't join that. This is the fourth question. Do you think your students would enjoy sharing their thoughts via Flipgrid? Yes or no? Not sure. This is the fifth question. Are you ready to go Flipgrid a try? Yes, I am. No, maybe. So how can you use the Flipgrid in your own classroom? Next, seventh one. This is the home for your class in Flipgrid. Eighth question. This is ninth question. This is 10th. This is 11th. This is 12th. So this is the lead board, means who are the toppers, you can check them now. Shaifuddin is the topper now. NT Reddy, second position. Saha, third position. VR, fourth position. Shailaja in fifth. Padma in the sixth position, like that. Oh, Shailaja came up again. So far, almost 36 people joined. So this is the accuracy level. 59% is the accuracy level. So out of those attempts, 154 attempts are the right and 110 attempts are the wrong. This is an online assessment tool. You can create your online quizzes easily.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Is it over?
Okay, I'm going to end the game now.
Yes.
So these are the toppers. NT Reddy, N and Safi. So we can review the questions also at the end of the quiz. So the green color shows that they are the right. How many percentage also? Toppers. So this is how good. Almost there are 40 teachers joined again. By clicking this, we can review the questions also. So what is the first question? What is the Flipgrid primary response? Video. So 11% addressed that it is 11. Okay, good. Second question. There are options when recording the video response for those that are camera shy. True. This is true. Green color shows that it is the right answer. Next, Flipgrid Disco Library is a place to find the topics created by the Flipgrid community. This is the right answer. Next one. Do you think your students would enjoy sharing their thoughts via Flipgrid? This is an open-ended question. You can say yes, no, or not sure. Anything else. All are right. Are you ready to give the Flipgrid a try? Yes. Next one, how can you use the Flipgrid in your classroom? This is an open-ended question. Let us see. To record voice, share the recording, I develop the speaking skills for interactive purpose through video recording, assessing speaking skills, recording, sending text, effective way, speaking like this, voice record, speaking tool, video, make children mobile. So these are the different options given by the participants now. Next question, this is the home for your class in the Flipgrid. So grid is the home for your class, grid. So 13 answered right. Next one, true, false. You can create many slides as you want. True. And you can create as many grids as you want. No limitation. Okay. Which feature includes the thousands of age and subject specific topics? Means Disco library. Answer is the Disco library. Next, media can be used to focus all. Record a video, upload a video, YouTube video, or upload an image, or add a GIF. So all are right answers. Next, voice thread is A and B. It's a collaborative tool for speaking and a speaking tool. Last question, Loom is a dash. Loom is a Chrome extension. So did anyone type? Okay, Chrome, right. So Chrome. Only spelling is wrong, but most of them wrote it is a Chrome. Okay, good. So this is the way we can review the questions also. This is also an interesting tool. You can try. Okay, thank you. And thank you and sorry for the connectivity issues. Thank you, Rajamalu sir, and thank you.
Vinay sir, just
sir,
please.
and thank you all the participants.
Vinay sir.
Thank you all.
Stay.
Yeah.
Just stay. Questionnaire
I will stay. No problem.
Kiranmay madam will come. She will ask
Okay,
the
okay.
questions. Please stay.
Sure. I will stay. But I'm conveying that my presentation is over now.
Okay. Thank you, sir. You please stay. Kiranmay madam, you are welcome.
Sir, good morning, sir. Good morning, Vinay Devaru, sir. I am Kiranmay and working at ZBHS Duddeda and Vice President of ELTA Siddipet, sir. And a wonderful presentation,
Okay,
sir. A wonderful presentation, sir. But it's our bad luck that we can't hear you clearly. The audio is not clear, and sometimes the video is also disturbed, sir. And so many participants' opinion is that only, sir, that you have to take the class one more time in any day if it is with Rajamalu, sir, if he arranges for one day. Because at the starting, there is a lot of problem of the audio, sir. We can't, so many of the teachers can't catch you, sir. That is a problem.
That's true.
I think, yes, sir. I think that's why there is no question. No one is framed a question in the chat box, sir. Rajamalu, sir.
Okay.
If Rajamalu, sir, if anyone wants to ask the question directly to the sir, they can. There is no question in the chat box, sir.
Okay. Let us give for 1 or 2 minutes for 1 or 2 participants. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. Bhaskar, sir, please take care of that. Bhaskar, sir.
It's Bhaskar sir choice. You can
Bhaskar,
give
sir,
unmute
please
to
take
anybody.
care of that. If anyone is ready to ask question.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Any participant who would like to ask question?
Sir, Vinay sir. Vinay sir, good morning. This is Venkatesh sir. Sir.
Sir. Good morning.
Are you listening, sir? Your presentation is very nice. There is no one to raise anything, but the problem is issue connectivity. We know, we understood everyone, but we need a short list of all the important apps as well as extensions like Loom that must be provided to our Rajamalu sir. We will take, there are so many educational applications. Really, all the participants are getting confused which one we have to use, which one is not useful. At least 10 highly useful item must be listed out, sir. This is my sincere request. I know your capability, how you are working hard, how you are doing your job. We get inspired by your work, sir. Thank you, sir, giving me this opportunity.
Madam,
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Definitely, I will share the links, sir. No problem. You can start exploring. It is not a difficult thing. Just go to those sites and start trying and experimenting. If you have any doubt, you can ask me directly, and I will share you my mobile number with you. No problem. Within 1-2 days, you can learn all these things. It's not a difficult task.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Now,
Ram Mohan Rao, sir.
Yes, sir.
anybody else, please?
You have raised your hand now. Have you any query?
Yeah.
Yeah, ask.
This seems to ended very fast, sir. We can't follow the sir's lesson.
Yeah.
Okay. Because
We want
network
one
is
after we want one
because I logged out and logged in, zooming. So this is the problem that I cannot, because I have to manage the time at the same time because I joined late after.
For the last 1 week today, I felt very difficult to follow you, sir.
Yeah, that's true. Network is not in our hands, no. Because look at last half an hour, it is fine now. The first half an hour, it troubles us a lot.
Okay, being a primary school teacher, I am also actively participating, not even spending 1 minute also away from this screen.
That's good, sir. That's good. No primary, no high school, sir. We are all teachers. That's it.
Actually, this is planned for high school SS, na?
Yeah. Okay.
One colleague I asked Mr. Srinivas, sir, you can also participate. Then I asked Mr. This Muhammad Yusuf, sir, you can also participate. Then I am participating daily.
I appreciate your interest.
Thank you, sir.
Vedar, sir, do you share your this US IEF? How can most of the teacher are interested to be a part of FTEA? How can we, sir?
Sir, every year the United States India Educational Foundation will issue a notification. You just Google it, USIF, in the search box, you will get the website. So they will offer scholarship for the 6 teachers in India.
Yes.
So once you have to apply for that first time. After application, they will shortlist the applications. So then they will call you for interview. So around there are 6 places for no. So they will shortlist for about 30 to 40 teachers. So after attending interview, they will further shortlist. So they will select 7 to 8 teachers.
Okay.
So in that they will ask you to write the TOEFL. So they don't worry about the TOEFL because they will issue the token. They will pay your fees. The only thing is that you have to appear the TOEFL. Then based on your application, your interview and your TOEFL score, they will finalize the 6 teachers. So these 6 teachers will go to US and they will work in the US school for 10 days and they will take the trainings there in the US university for about 2 weeks. Like that, it's a 6 weeks program. So everything is sponsored by the USIF. They will give you the train, flight tickets, accommodation, food, everything is the free. Only thing is that you have to apply the leave. Government is not giving on duty for that. You have to put leave. You have to use medical leave for that. So this is a nice opportunity for the Indian teachers to go and visit US and also work and observe what is there in the US classroom. And you also given a lot of training on the technology used by the US university. So every year they will issue the notification just to follow my Facebook page or the LTAP page.
Yeah.
So I go on sharing the links with that. Otherwise you start searching now itself, USIEF, Fulbright T program, Fulbright T program, you will get information about that. That is it.
Thank you, sir. I hope from Siddipet district also will join this with your guidance, sir.
Vinay sir, thank you, sir. Thank you. And I request General Secretary Yusuf sir to invite Jyoti madam for vote of thanks.
Yeah. Our Jyoti ma'am.
Okay, sir. Good morning. A warm good morning to all, sir. I am Rautu Jyoti, SA English, working at ZPHS Musyal, sir, and also Secretary of State Executive Body.
So the video is not appearing, madam.
Yeah.
Sir?
The video is not appearing. Okay.
There we start, sir.
Okay.
Continue, ma'am. Continue. Jyoti ma'am.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
Honorable DO, sir, sectorial officers, Honorable guest, National Awardee ma'am, Asharani ma'am, today's host Vinay Dara sir, ELTA President, Secretary and Executives and every teacher of this session, a warm good morning, sir. We thanks to our guest Asharani ma'am. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation for ma'am, sir. We are grateful to you for coming this session. So I really feel very privileged to speak a few words about Asharani ma'am, sir. So you contributed to setting up smart classroom and also developed e-content innovative methods for teaching English. And also, ma'am created she worked 3 English textbooks. This is very great inspiration to many teachers, sir. Ma'am, I have seen some videos also, which are very inspirational and motivational for every English teacher. After knowing about for all these, I really felt you are the role model for me. And also thank you to Vinay Dara Raju, sir. Your presentation is very good, sir. Sir, you are the icon of online course, sir. It is very useful session to us, but in the middle, some disturbance is there, sir. Other than that, everything is very good, sir. Sir, this pandemic situation, this is very useful to us, sir, to acquire e-technical education. We thank to our guest host as well as our ELTA crew and English teachers, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. Thanks each and everyone. Over to Bhaskar sir. Wind up.
Okay, thank you.
Well, thank you all. Thank you, Vinay sir. Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you all.
From my side, I'm closing the session. Thanks all. Please submit your feedback.
Thank you all.